Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Madalena here. Today we're going to dive into an interesting topic, and that is common mistakes and fixes. What's holding us back in creating that beautiful flawless hair? The first mistake is low quality hair extensions. So cheap hair extensions might save you money up front, but they're actually really frustrating because low quality hair extensions will lose hair. The hair will tangle really quick, it's shedding, and it's not going to look natural at all. So ideally, and please make sure that you're looking over a good company that's providing hair extensions. The gold standard for hair extensions is actually Remi A+ hair. Remi A+ hair means the cuticles are aligned and intact. The hair has been donated or sold at the human hair market in a ponytail and is going to go into the manufacturing process in a ponytail, which means the cuticles are going to be intact and aligned. And that would be the highest quality of hair extensions that you can find on the market. So my advice is stick to the brands that have really good reviews and invest in good quality hair extensions. The second mistake is improper installation. Make sure that you're going to go to a professional to install the hair extensions. Sometimes what happens if you've applied, let's say, tapes at home yourself, you might apply them a little bit too close to the scalp. They're going to feel really uncomfortable and they can create alopecia in time. So you need to go to a professional to have them applied. I mean, this can happen as well with the wefts or the mini micros. So if they're applied too close to the scalp, there's going to be too much tension, and because of that, you would be able to create alopecia in small areas where the extensions were. So the third mistake that's stopping us from having beautiful flawless hair is actually neglecting brushing your hair. So you need to brush your hair every day to get rid of all the tangles. You need to go every 6 to 8 weeks to see a professional to have them move up, and you need to make sure that you use the right product. A sulfate-free shampoo and a shampoo that hasn't got too many oils in, so it's not going to make your hair really heavy. Mistake number 4, overusing heat and styling products. As you know, the hair extensions are a little bit more fragile than natural hair, so you need to make sure that you're using heat protectors, and don't use too many styling products like hairspray and mousse, because this is going to weigh down the hair and is going to create a lot of build-up in the hair as well. So if you are guilty of any of these mistakes, then you know how to fix them now. Please let me know in the comment down below if there's any mistake that you did in the past, so we can all learn from it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. So the third mistake, and I'm showing too.